Hello everyone, welcome to Cellopedia. This is Maxim. Do you need to learn how to play cello scales? You came to the right place, because I will show you how to play each scale. You will see me playing it. You will see close up of my left hand. You will see tapes on the fingerboard which might help you to find proper position for the left hand. And I will comment on each scale to help you to get started. D major, 1-octave scale. You will play all the notes on D and A strings, top 2 strings of cello. Let's start with preparing your left hand. Spread all the fingers on the fingerboard and let's do it. Now I will play one more time and you will see my left hand close up. Pay attention that your fingers get round position, so you are using tips of your fingers to play. G major scale. This scale you will play on G and D strings. The first note will be open G string. Let's prepare the fingers. Position them over the G string. So the first finger will be ready to play right after you're done with open G. One more time. Now you will get to see my left hand much closer. if you have tapes on your fingerboard, I'm sure you will need to look at your left hand. When you do that, make sure that you don't move your cello far away, because that will not allow you to make a good sound with the bow. So try to keep cello as close to your neck as possible. C major scale. Here we will play on 3 strings. We'll start on the G string, then we'll go to the D string and to the A string. Let's prepare the left hand position. Put all 4 fingers on the string, and your pinky will have to press all the way. Make sure that all other fingers are helping, so you will press on the string with all 4 fingers, not just with one pinky. One more time with the left hand close up. F major scale. Here you will have to start on the C string, and you will also use G and D strings. Let's prepare your left hand. You will have to deal with the C string, and that's a thickest string of the cello. So it will require more effort from all of your fingers to press on it. So your pinky will appreciate the support of all other fingers. To learn each scale well, you will have to repeat it many times, as I do for now. Let's do it again, and you will see my left hand much closer. And now the hardest scale of all 5, B flat major. What is hard about it? You will have to make an extension. That means to reach E flat on the D string or B flat on the A string, you will have to extend your first finger. You will have to move it without actually moving your wrist. To properly make an extension, you have to keep all fingers in place, including thumb, except for the first finger you will be extending. Try it several times without actually playing with the bow, and I'm sure you will get used to that very soon. Let's keep practicing. Now you will see my left hand much closer. You might notice that when I play, I don't look at my left hand. Well, it's okay if you have to look at it all the time. But little by little, you should get used just to play by listening. And I'm sure you will be able to find your left hand position without constantly looking at the fingerboard. In case you're looking for good student quality cello to practice, like the one I'm using now, check out a link in the description to this video, and you might decide to get one of those cellos. I'm so excited to help you to make your first steps in learning how to play this wonderful instrument. I recorded hundreds of videos for beginners, intermediate, and more advanced students. So check out Cellopedia, and I hope I will help you to learn something new. Thank you for watching. I hope to see you again.